In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high converting pop-up form using Klaviyo in 2025. If you're looking to increase engagement and grow your subscriber list, pop-up forms are an essential tool in your digital marketing toolbox. With Klaviyo, you can create stunning and effective forms in just a few simple steps. So let's dive into how you can set up your own high converting pop-up form. To start off, you'll need to head over to klaviyo.com and log into your account. This opens the door to all the powerful features Klaviyo offers, so make sure you remember your credentials or have them handy. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the Klaviyo dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll find a navigation menu. Here you need to select Sign Up Forms. This is where the magic begins as you start crafting your form. Next, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the option to Create Form. Click on this and you're on your way to designing a form that aligns perfectly with your brand's style and message. Now, Klaviyo is quite accommodating, offering you a choice between using one of their pre-built templates or flexing your creative muscles and starting from scratch. Whether you're looking for something quick or wanting a more personalized touch, Klaviyo caters to both. You'll then find yourself in a preview modal, where it's time to give your form a name. Naming your form not only helps with organization within Klaviyo, but provides clarity when you come back to these forms later. Moving along to one of the more creative and fun parts of this process, adjust the form's design and sizing under the Styles tab. This is where you can really let your brand's personality shine. Make sure to customize the fonts, background colors, and other visual elements to ensure that everything aligns seamlessly with your brand's aesthetic. When you're happy with the look, it's time to decide on the form type. Klaviyo offers several options: pop-up, flyout, full page, or embedded. Choose the one that fits best with your site's flow and your subscribers' experience. Finally, review everything to ensure it's exactly how you envisioned, then click Publish to set your form live. As a bit of extra advice for achieving those high conversion rates, consider these pro tips. Offer something of value like a discount or an exclusive resource in exchange for joining your list. Testing different versions of your form can give you insights into what works best, so don't shy away from A/B testing your headlines, call to actions, and designs. Keep your form simple by limiting the number of fields to encourage more sign-ups. Creating a sense of urgency with phrases like limited time offer can spur action, and always make sure your forms are mobile responsive, as most of your visitors are likely using their phones. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a high converting pop-up form using Klaviyo. Thank you for watching and happy form building.